Imagine a YouTube channel where you can build a USA audience without showing face and without even recording your own voice. Yes, this is a real channel that is growing fast by uploading AI generated documentary videos. And crazy part, one of them got at over 1.2 million views with a RPM between $3 to $8 per K views. And the best thing is you can create videos exactly like this.
What if I told you food didn't just taste better in the past? It actually was better. And what changed might surprise you. Did food really taste better before? Think about the last time you heard someone say, food just doesn't taste like it used to.
First, let me take screenshot of this channel. Now open ChatGPT and upload the screenshot. You will find the Google Docs file in the description. Simply copy the prompt from here and paste it on ChatGPT. GPT will you analyze this channel and give you complete roadmap from channel name to viral video ideas. Now copy your second prompt, paste it and pick up any topic you like. Once you enter topic, ChatGPT will you generate full video script for you. This script will you ready for voiceover, simple and powerful. Now copy your third prompt and paste it. Then you have to copy the voiceover script that GPT has generated and given you. Paste it here. ChatGPT will now convert your script into scene by scene image prompt and video prompt. Next, generate your voiceover using 11 Lab. Click on text to speech, select your language, choose narration style, and pick up a male or female voice, whichever you prefer. Now it's time to generate images. You can choose any AI image generation tools. So I'm going to copy this image prompt, paste Gemini. So Gemini, will you give me result like this? Again, I will copy the second prompt, and yes, you must make sure to you have reference image so that you get a consistent image. Now you have to get all images generated by one like Gemini. For editing, you can use CapCut. Add all your images to timeline according your script. Then place your voiceover and adjust the timing. Don't forget keyframing and small animation. This will you make your video look professional.